I'd lost my parents in the space of a year, at the age of 38. I was a bit lost, very lost. The resurface retreat just seemed to sort me out. I had a total reset.
Talk therapy, traditional therapy has helped me recognise a lot of the patterns in my life. I would say resurface, it's like instead of painting a wall, it's taking it back, it's stripping the plaster off, it's looking at the foundations so that when you repaint the wall, it's smooth, it's clean, it's exactly the colour that you wanted it.
I mean, Josh is fantastic. To be honest, Josh is the reason why I decided to come on the retreat so quickly. I had a brief call with him and, you know, within speaking just for a few minutes, I decided that I wanted to book up my spot for this retreat.
I was absolutely exhausted. There'd been a lot going on in my life in the months and weeks before coming here. I feel like I've shed decades already. Yeah, I would say I'm an absolute non-skeptic now, so which is quite unusual for a journalist.
I felt a bit that what I was going through was so kind of deep that would anything really touch the sides? But actually I feel so much lighter after a week here. I feel so much more sort of stable and secure and just sort of calm, really. And it really does work. It really helps, and I feel much more grounded and calm and just sort of positive about the future.
Josh this week was really amazing. I think he's like a really comforting presence. In the workshops, he really held space and really was good at navigating through the feelings and I guess pinning what certain people needed. And yeah, it was just really felt held by him.
What I think Resurface does differently is it's intensive. It has the flow state before, which means you're opened up in a way that EMDR can really get into those foundations and work quickly.
Now, for one of the first times in my life, I feel the strength and the support a group can bring to a situation and to a person. So I feel very grateful. It has taken a lot of anxiety off my shoulders. There's less weight on my shoulder. I feel I can sit more upright in a sense. I breathe better. My breathing is easier.